So, if SEO, search engine optimization, if for those who don't know, was a chess game, what's the next best and biggest move in 2025 or remaining of 2025 and beyond that few people see coming?
So when we talk about SEO, right? In the old days, it was sort of like SEO is search marketing for on Google or Bing or Yahoo. Nowadays, the word or the term SEO sort of encompasses all platforms. So the search bar on TikTok is technically SEO. The search bar on YouTube is SEO, and those results are coming up in Google results. And so it's sort of everything. And so I tell people if you're tackling SEO, you're tackling it everywhere. You want to put content everywhere because then that might show up on the first page of Google, or you might want to optimize your YouTube in a certain way. But what I think is interesting is I had a client about 6 months ago where the traffic was down. The traffic was down 20%. We were doing a great job. And they were saying, where's this traffic? We just plummeted. And I said, yeah, it's gone and it's not coming back
Yeah.
because it's been lost to the generative AI at the top of Google. Gone are the days where you could just write a blog and it'd show up for people and they would go and read it. Number one, people aren't reading really much anymore.
Yeah.
They're digesting it in small content bits. I'm guilty of that too. But what's not going to go away with SEO in 2025 and beyond is the local searches, right? You're still going to search for your air conditioner repair Toronto. You're still going to look for the person that's close to you. So I say to people, put your efforts into optimizing that Google local page. You'd be amazed at the amount of people that don't put content on there. They don't answer the Q&As. They don't put new photos. I mean, it's essentially free traffic that's already there. But what's really going to take over in SEO is voice searches on all these platforms, Claude, ChatGPT. And if you're not optimizing for those specifically, you will get left by the wayside.
Yeah. From your experience, then, what's the most expensive marketing blunder that some of your clients have made, and how can others avoid it?
Cheaping out on your website, going for a cheap server, going for unskilled developer, trying to save money. That is the number one thing that I tell people. Your website, your website, your website. If your website's slow, it will drive people away. It doesn't matter how much you pay to get the traffic there. If your website's slow, it will affect your SEO. If your website in itself evokes strange emotions, or I don't see myself represented, if it's a law firm of 20 white guys and I'm a woman,
Yeah.
perhaps we should consider putting one of them on the page. For me, it's just the website. It's the look, it's the fonts, what we evoke. Do we communicate the unique value proposition right away? And that's going to be sort of the bedrock from which you will build all your marketing efforts. I do think social media is important, but it's only important for certain industries, right? For lawyers and stuff like that, it's not really as important unless you're really communicating a unique value proposition or you're more consumer based, like your personal injury firm. It's still the website is the core of everything, and you'd be amazed the amount of people that try to hire the cheap developer and then their website crashes in the middle of the day and they've lost 6 leads. And so I tell people, don't come to me, don't come to Gray Smoke Media until you have your website set, because we don't do websites and I find them to be a massive headache. And if you can't get over that infancy stage, then we're going to run into a lot of problems.